Okay, so this is the infamous tree, and he's going to be removing it today. It's daylight so you can see it better. Little tree, and it's actually, there were bricks all along here. Tore those out because he's going to be digging the footer, and the tree is basically growing out of a brick.
Back up, David. We need to start back here.
So, and the Sawzall is already plugged in and ready to go. But we're going to see here, I guess.
I might as well just stop. It's going to take a while.
Okay, he said stop. I'll pause for now and we'll come back when there's more progress.